This is Alok sir. Welcome to Cambridge Plus 2 Science Tutorial Nagar. I am specially making this video for those students which are interested for plus 2 first year science. Today I talk about science. Try to focus mind. Today I talk about what is that? Science. Okay, science is basically derived from a Latin word that is called science. Yes, it is a which word? Latin word. Science means कौनसी जिनिस विषय सम्यक ज्ञान डेवलप करिबा बा जानिबा as basically called science. Okay. If we talk about the next one, the adjective of the science. The adjective of the science is scientia. And scientia means knowledge. Yes, that means science means to know or knowledge. कौनसी जिनिस विषय जानिबा बा ज्ञान आहरण करिबा is called science. Yes, clear? Try to focus, my dear. Now we talk about which one are the branches of science. Before that, we have to know the definition of science. What is the definition of science? Science is the knowledge. Science is the knowledge which acquired by observation. Science is the knowledge which acquired by observation, tested by experiments, and arranged in a systematic manner. Which were systematic manner. विज्ञान कहिले what is that? You can understand that it is acquired by observation. Observe करिबा बा देखिबा द्वारा try to focus mind आसी था. Tested by experiment मतलब परीक्षण द्वारा हमें देखो टेस्ट करी था. And arranged in a systematic manner एवं systematically सजेक रखिबा as which one we can call that science. प्रथमे observe करिबा बा देखिबा. 2 नंबर टेस्ट करिबा एक्सपेरिमेंट द्वारा परीक्षण द्वारा. अरेंज इन ए सिस्टमैटिकली ताकू सजे रखिबा as basically try to focus mind which one is three things are combined called science. मतलब try to focus mind मु देखिली बा which one हाइड्रोजन सह ऑक्सीजन मिश्रण एवं कौन प्रोड्यूस कला which one try to focus what is that? Water. Yes, बारंबार परीक्षण कली एवं जते थरा which one हाइड्रोजन सहित ऑक्सीजन कंबाइन कली मते वाटर ही मिलला. Arranged in a systematic manner means मुदा को मेंशन करेबी H2 plus O2 is equal to which one? 2H2. Yes, I'm just balancing. Okay, this is hydrogen, try to focus oxygen, produce water. Arranged in a systematic manner. So this is called science. So science means what? Science is the knowledge acquired by which vessel? Observation, tested by experiment, and arranged in which manner? Systematic manner. Clear? This is the example. Yes? Try to focus, my dear. Next one. The science as basically which are as basically divided into two branches. How many branches? Two branches. One is called physical science, जोटा को हमें ओडिया रे कहूचे भौतिक विज्ञान, and the second one is called life science means जीव विज्ञान. Life science और the कहबा जीव विज्ञान. भौतिक विज्ञान दुई भाग विभक्त. One is called physics and the second one is called chemistry. पदार्थ विज्ञान एवं रसायन विज्ञान. Okay, And try to guess, my dear, if you take about which one? Life science. It is otherwise called Jiva Vigyana. Life means Jivana. Try to guess, mind means Vigyana. Jiva Vigyana, or you can call that physiology, biology. Yes. The science is basically commonly divided into two parts. One is physical science, second one is life science. Life science is otherwise called biology, whereas the physical science divided into how many parts? Two parts. One is called physics, Padartha Vigyana, and the second one is chemistry. Okay. Today it does talk about life science. अब आज कहाँ विषय पढ़िबा? That is life science or physiology, biology. Right? आरंभ करिबा. That is life science or biology. Biology. It is derived from how many Greek words? Two Greek words. यह दुईटी ग्रीक वर्ड रु आसी अछि. Try to focus, my dear. Greek को short रे GR लेखंती. Try to focus, my dear. Derived from two Greek words. One is called bios and the second one is called logos. Bios means life. Logos means study. Bios means life and logos means study. So biology means study of life. So biology deals with study of life. Yes, life. Life कहाँ रही ना जीव मानक रही. जीव को इंग्लिश में कौन कहा जाए? Living organism. So again, biology deals with study of living organism. Yes. Okay. Try to guess, my dear. The meaning is biology deals with study of life or biology deals with study of which organism? Living organism. Okay. In this part, only two questions will be asked. Biology is derived from two dash words. Greek words. What are they? One is bios and second one is logos. Bios means what? Life. Logos means what? Study. So biology deals with study of life or which organism? Living organism. Clear? Next one. Yes. Next one. The biology term, this term, is coined by. मतलब मोना आलोक बोली मो बापा ना देथिले. Same परी. The term biology was coined by two scientists. One is called Lamarck and second one is called Treviranus. Do you know scientists Lamarck एवं ट्रेविरानस जेमिति मोना आलोक मो बापा देथिले सेही परी बायोलॉजी वाटी दुई जण साइंटिस्ट देथिले. One is Lamarck and Treviranus in 1802. Okay, try to focus, my dear. So we can call that the term biology coined by. The term biology was coined by Lamarck and Treviranus in 1802. सदाବେଳେ शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन पचरा जाए बायोलॉजी टर्म के देथिले और हु कॉइन्ड द टर्म बायोलॉजी? Lamarck and Treviranus in which one? 1802. 100%. Try to guess, my dear. Now we are talking about the which one? Division of biology. Which of biology? Division of biology. Right. This is biology divisible into three branches. Okay, divisible into how many branches? Three branches. The first one we can call that botany. Second one we can call that microbiology. Next one we can call that zoology. Okay, the biology divided into how many branches? 3 branches. One is called botany, second one is called microbiology, and the third one is called zoology. Yes, let us talk about botany. Botany is derived from a Greek word. It comes from a Greek word botany. Botany, why? Yeah, botany. Okay. Try to guess my dear. Very interestingly, the which one botany term is derived from a Greek word botany. Botany means plants. Okay, try to guess my dear. Botany means plants. Yes. So try to guess my dear. Very interestingly, which one we can call that botany deals with study of plants. The first one, botany, is derived from a which word? Greek word botany. And botany means plants. So botany deals with study of plants. Right? I will just writing this. The term botany derived from one Greek word called botany, which means plants. Okay, that's the first point and that's the second point. Botany is the study of plants. Yes. And scientist come, whose name is known as Theophrastus. Theophrastus. Yes. From 370 BC to 287 BC. Yes. 370 BC. BC मतलब which one? Before Christ. BC before Christ. ଖ୍ରୀଷ୍ଟପୂର୍ବ 370 ରୁ 287 370 ରେ ଜନ୍ମ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରିଥିଲେ 287 ରେ ମୃତ୍ୟୁବରଣ କରିଥିଲେ. Is known as father of botany. प्लांट विषय पढ़िबार आइडिया प्रथमे देइथिले which Frastus? Theophrastus. सेति पई ताको कुहा गला बटनी र जनक. So Theophrastus is known as father of botany. सदाबेले गोटे शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आसे who is known as father of botany. और ओडिया रे कहया गले बटनी बा उद्भिद विज्ञान रो जनक के. Yes, right. Next one. He wrote a book. He wrote a book. गोटे बही लिखिथिले से and that is called he wrote a book known as Historia Plantarum. Which plantarum? Historia Plantarum. Yes, सदाबेले शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आसे परीक्षा रे Historia Plantarum पुस्तक किए रचना करथिले और who wrote the book Historia Plantarum? The answer is which Frastus? Theophrastus. Yes, yes. Try to focus my next one. If you are adding another point, he gave the idea or the book Historia Plantarum contain data about 500 plant species 500 प्रकारर different बा अलग जातिर अलग प्रजातिर उद्भिद विषय से वर्णना करथिले. In which book? Historia Plantarum. It मतलब Historia Plantarum contains data about 500 plant species. Okay, 500 मतलब Historia Plantarum contains data about 500 plant species. Data means information. Okay, or it contains information about 500 which species? Plant species. This is the basic fundamental about botany. The first one, the botany, is basically derived from a Greek word botany. Botany means plants. So botany deals with study of plants. ताहले botany कहले उद्भिद विज्ञान कुहाଯାଏ. Theophrastus is known as father of botany. He wrote a book, Historia Plantarum. Okay, it contains data about or information about 500 which species? Plant species. Yes. Now we talk about the next part, that is called microbiology. Microbiology derived from 3 Greek words. One is called micros. Second one is called bios. Next one is called logos. That means this microbiology derived from 3 Greek words: micros, bios, and logos. Microbiology derived from 3 Greek words. That is micros, bios, and logos. Okay, micros means small. Bios means life. Logos means study. It is the which one? Small life study. Small life study मतलब those are not visible to eye, naked eye. जहाँ हमको खाली आँखिरे देखा जानती नहीं, ताको देखिबा पाई हमें माइक्रोस्कोप रो सहाय्य न. Okay, okay, try to guess my dear. So which one? So microbiology deals with study of small life. Next point, it deals with study of small life. Life by which organism? Living organism or small living organism. These are seen in microscope, so we can call that microorganisms. So microbiology deals with study of small living organism or which organisms? Microorganisms. Clear? Microorganisms. Okay, try. The next one. One scientist came whose name is known as Antony von Leeuwenhoek. Antony von Leeuwenhoek from 1623 to 1723. जन्म ग्रहण करते 1623 मसीह, मृत्युवरण करते 1723 मसीह. A Leeuwenhoek is known as father of microbiology. So question come, microbiology ro janaka ke or who is known as the father of microbiology? Who is that person? A Leeuwenhoek. Okay. So for outside scientist ashanti whose name is known as Louis Pasteur. Yes. 1822 ରୁ 1895. जन्म ग्रहण birth in 1822, death in 1895. He is known as father of microbiology. Okay, Emilian Locke is also known as father of microbiology, as well as Louis Pasteur also known as father of microbiology. Yes. So microbiology deals with the study of which organism, small living organism or small microorganism or microorganisms, or you can call this like small life. It derived from how many Greek words? 3 Greek words, and we can call that micros, bios and logos. Yes, micros means small, bios means life, logos means study. Yes, we are taking the next one. Try to focus mind here. We are taking the last part, that is zoology. Yes. If we talk about zoology, try to focus mind here. It is derived from 2 Greek words. One is called G for Greek words. One is called zoon, and next one is called logos. Your zoon means animals. Logos means study. So zoology deals with study of small animals. First point, zoology derived from 2 Greek words. That is zoon and logos. Zoon and logos. Zoon means animals and logos means study. Zoon means animals and logos means study. Yes, next one. Zoology. So zoology deals with study of animals. Okay, जे एनिमल मान के विषय स्टडी करी थाए, ओके, जो सब्जेक्ट which one animal में इसका मान के विषय स्टडी करी थाए, we can call that zoology or we can call that प्राणी विज्ञान. Okay, try to focus mind. जूलॉजी विषय पढ़िबार आइडिया प्रथमे जड़े साइंटिस्ट देथिले. ट्राई टू फोकस माइंड हियर. दैट इज व्हिच वन? नेम इज कॉल्ड व्हिच वन? एरिस्टटल. एरिस्टटल. एरिस्टटल 384 बीसी रु 322 बीसी. एरिस्टटल द बात इज व्हिच वन? ख्रीष्टपूर्व 384 बीसी और 384 बीसी. And which one? Try to focus mind here. What is that? Death is which one? 322 BC. Is known as father of zoology. Aristotle is the first person who gave the idea about study of small animals. So he is known as father of zoology. Clear? Try to focus mind here. He wrote a book. He wrote a book. Known as Historia Animalium. Okay, Historia Animal. Aristotle wrote a book about animals, basically different types of animals. That is called which one? Historia Animalium. Which animalium? Historia Animalium. Okay, it contains data about or information about 500 different types of species. It contains data about or information about 500 animal species. It contains information about 500 animal species. It contains data about or information about 500 animal species. Okay, try to focus my dear. Very interestingly, this is the basic fundamental about zoology. Okay, derived from 2 Greek words, zoon and logos. Zoon means animals, so logos means study. So zoology deals with study of animals. Okay, study of animals idea first given by Aristotle. Aristotle in which one? 384. Okay, given by which title? Aristotle. Okay, Aristotle took birth in 384 BC and died as basically 322 BC. Okay, he wrote a book, Historia Huisram Animalium. Yes, which contain data about 500 which species, animal species. Yes, right. That's the basic division of physiology, biology. And I am giving another point to you. This is the clear data about which one? Branches of biology. The biology is divided into 3 branches: botany, microbiology, and zoology. And final one, the term biology is derived from how many Greek words? That one is called bios and logos. I am trying to guess, my dear. Aristotle is also known as father of biology. Aristotle is also known as father of physiology, biology. Because Aristotle is the first person who give the idea about study about biology. जीवमान विषय पढ़िबार आइडिया प्रथमे के देथिले? Aristotle. So Aristotle is also known as father of biology. Okay, and he is the first person to give about study about which means animals. So he is known as father of zoology. जीवमान विषय पढ़िबार आइडिया प्रथमे के देथिले? Aristotle. So he is one Aristotle जीव विज्ञान जनक एवं प्रथमे एनिमल मानक विषय पढ़िबार आइडिया मध्य से प्रदान करथिले, तेणु ता कहा जाय which one? Father of zoology बा प्राणी विज्ञान रो जनक. Okay, try to focus, my dear. This is the basic lecture about the which one? Class 1 of physiology, biology. Okay, I want to ask few questions to test you. The first question for you: biology derived from 2 Greek words, dash and dash. Okay, the first question for you. Second question: dash is known as father of biology. Okay, microbiology deals with study of dash. Microbiology deals with study of dash. Next question: botany derived from a Greek word known as Greek word dash. Botany derived from a Greek word dash. Zoology deals with study of dash. Botany deals with study of dash. Dash and dash coined the term biology. Dash and dash coined the term biology. Yes. dash is known as father of zoology. Okay. 8 number question. Dash is known as father of botany. Okay. Scientia means dash. Scientia means dash. Final question. Life science is otherwise called dash. Life science is otherwise called dash. These are the 10 questions. Try to guess, my dear. One question carrying which one mark and 10 marks. Okay, the first question is biology derived from two Greek words. You can check this. Okay, if we keep 10 out of 10, that means I give the clear data about biology. Okay, with this we are complete for today. See you the next till then. Bye bye.